Hi, today in front of me Oppo A98 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first launch the settings, then scroll down to additional settings and tap to screen recording. Here you'll see the definition. And to switch your current definition from the medium to low or to the custom one, you should select one from these available definitions. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find somewhere here screen recording icon. Hold it for a while and you'll launch the same screen recording settings and you could change your definition. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.